Hello everyone, welcome to Bespoke Flooring Solution. This video is how to fit Parquet Herringbone style sheet vinyl flooring. Let's go and have a look. This is the finishing of the area. This is a dental practice surgery room in London, UK, Great Britain. Let's go and have a look from the beginning. So that was the finishing, and this is the old flooring as we were advised by the client, and they had limited budget, so we couldn't lift and remove the old vinyl as it was stuck on the plywood. So yeah, that would have been a little bit of more money to charge them. So here we go. This is the feather finish. As we do around the edges, we remove the skirting of the old vinyl, and as you can see, the subfloor is getting 2-3 coats of feather finish, so it makes sure it's nice and smooth for the new vinyl pocket style going down, and it looks nice and smooth. This is feather finish. You can learn it yourself. Simple, going from right to the left, and it's like a plastering method of doing a feather, similar, but we're doing the floor, they're doing the wall and ceiling. That's the difference. But definitely the floor is much easier. Feather finish is good leveling compound, scratch good leveling compound for the surface of the subfloor. Takes half an hour to dry. Right, so the feather is completed. Let it dry for half an hour, so you can see our fan is spinning. Right, it's dried now, and now it's time for the white capping to go on. As you can see, we're using Bostik tape, double-sided tape, very expensive tape, and we'd rather to use that than F60, as this is a dental practice surgery. Still have client coming in and out in the other room. That's the white capping, so we're doing it in one length all the way, so it comes in roll. The capping is on, and as you can see, we've done all the capping around the edges, and 100 mils high, and this is the double-sided tape for the Cove format and vinyl to get stuck on the wall. Push it into the Cove format and the wall and cut it and make sure it's all on. Right, so that is ready, and now it's time for the vinyl to be cut. Right, Parquet style vinyl flooring. The client loves it. Can't believe we've got Parquet flooring sheet vinyl. We've always been doing this in planks, not sheet, but right, it's time for the glue to go down. Remember, whenever you do Parquet style flooring, polyfloor would fix, and remember to match all the Parquet where the joint falls. So make sure you remember that. So you're not allowed to fit it randomly. You must match all the planks when you put the joint together. F44, the old famous adhesive in the UK. Let it dry and then push the bubble out, as we always love to get rid of bubble. That's main challenge of every floor layer. And then you roll it with a small roller. Don't need a heavy roller here, just a very small area. There's a lot of work with Cap and Cove, you know. It's tiring for every floor layer to do Cap and Cove, but as long as you have the technique, this can be done. This is where the wall is L-shaped, so we have to put sliver or small bits. As you can see, I've matched all the patterns there. That's the only downside of Parquet Cap and Cove sheet vinyl. Every small piece you put in, you have to match all the planks, which is not easy. You have to look for the matching planks and then put it in. Make sure it matches 3-4 planks in that corner. So that's in, and now we're gonna tag it in, warm it up a bit. With a loss of power, so now we're using our cordless heat gun. Really handy tools. You should buy one. Lovely. Time to weld it. Look at that. Heat welding the Parquet wood floor. It's really looking nice and neat. And let's do a welding in the external corner. We used set on skirting on the around the unit. Previously the floor layers didn't use anything, they just flat laid it, but we used white PVC set on skirting just for hygiene purposes. This is the most difficult heat welding, external corner. Gotta take your time and push the weld rod into the gap and just get rid with your thumb and push it in and protect the outer bit of vinyl. Right, job done. We cut the welding later and there we go, beautiful. Look at this surgery. He loves it. He's got patients coming in an hour time, so we gotta better keep going. And beautiful job. And this is really looking nice. Parquet style sheet vinyl flooring. Wow. It's night time. Let's go home. Beautiful. Don't forget to appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.